got a new bike. Welcome back to the channel, fat boys. As you can see, I sold my bike, but instead I am now on this beaut of a brand new Road King Special 2021 114 Milwaukee 8 engine. And let me tell you what, I am loving it. It is so good. I am loving every second of this bike. I am currently actually breaking in this bike. I'm trying to get my 1,000 miles done as quickly as possible because, as you know, as seen in this video right up here, I moved and I am trying to now get this bike up to Virginia, where I currently live. So let's talk about why I sold the bike. Why did I sell the Fat Bob? So I sold the Fat Bob because the compensator ended up breaking again. As in this video right up here, you can see that it broke not that long ago, and this was a brand new compensator that just decided to explode again. So this was the fourth major failure that I've had in the bike. I've talked about this multiple times on the channel, but I'll go ahead and do it again, a little quick synopsis. The first thing that happened was I had the tappets and lifters crack and shatter on me. The second thing was that I had the pistons and cylinder walls crack and also shatter on me. And then finally, the third time was the compensator exploded, and so I needed to get a whole brand new primary. And for the fourth time, that happened again just a couple months later, so I said I'm tired of it. I said I needed a new bike, something more reliable, to where when I'm in the middle of nowhere up in Virginia, in the middle of the mountains, I will be in a much better position and something that I'm not going to be worried about breaking down. So that's what happened. I now own a Road King Special to where I can go and do all my trips to my heart's content. I don't have the big over exorbitant fairing in front of me. I don't need the radio. I don't need all that other jazz. I got my Senna, I got my helmet, and I got the open road in front of me to go enjoy. But I'm currently on Ozella Trail, which is the windiest road in Florida, which it definitely is, as you can probably tell. This is a pretty windy road. It actually reminds me of a couple other really good windy roads. Not really windy roads, but other locations. It seems to be like a nice combination. It reminds me of up in Daytona. It reminds me of The Loop, which is a really big hotspot for all you Daytona Beach Bike Week people and Biketoberfest people. And then it also reminds me of Key West. It reminds me of the Keys. It has that Keys feel, but at the same time, it has a little bit more of that middle of the state shrubbery and stuff like that, and scenery. So it's interesting. I like it here. This is pretty. This is really nice and pretty. You got a whole bunch of different scenery, got really cool houses, and at the same time, nice windy roads. Can't go wrong with that. This is just a nice little simple channel update so you can see the brand new bike, and the next time you see it, I'll be up in Virginia. You'll be up in Virginia with me, and we'll be having a ton of fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you stay around so you can see all the Road King Special fun activities that we're going to be having. All the big trips, all the new mountainous roads that a Florida boy is definitely not used to. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you ring that bell notification so you know when the next video comes out and you can join me on this marvelous adventure. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace!